In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts in Roblox. So if you have multiple accounts on your Roblox app, you can go ahead and switch between one account to another. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then tap on more here. Under this, just scroll down up to the end and you'll see we have an option to switch between accounts. If you tap on it, you will be able to see all the accounts that are signed into using this app. Go ahead and choose the one you wish to switch to, and then this will switch automatically to the second account. For my case, I only have one account, and therefore I can only use this one account unless I add another one. So that's how you can switch between accounts on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.